Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Uber Eats promo not applied issue. So let's get into the video. So if you're having this promo code issue, so what you can do, firstly go to your settings, your Uber Eats settings. So open up settings and then go to Uber Eats, search for Uber Eats. Okay, and then when you get to the Uber Eats settings here, so open up into their settings, and under usage you will see also under usage underneath there you'll see force stop here. Click on force stop and force stop the app, and then get to your Play Store and see if there is an update for this app. So search for Uber Eats and see if there's an update. So if you see an update like here, so just hit on update and then update your app and see if that fix up the issue. Or else what you can do, you can go to your settings here, again back to the app settings, click on search for Uber Eats, go to Uber Eats app settings, and then here when you click on here under app settings, so under storage, go to storage and then hit on clear cache. So click on clear cache, and then now once you've cleared the cache, and then now try to log out from your account and then restart your phone and then log back in, and that should fix up the issue. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.